The biggest joy of an AMG Mercedes has undoubtedly been its thunderous V8, a soundtrack that's stirring at any speed. But you're going to have to get used to life without it, as Mercedes confirms that the next AMG C63, due later this year, will come with a 4-cylinder hybrid powertrain. Cue wailing from AMG anoraks. But, soundtrack apart, the V8's replacement does sound very appealing. The new powertrain for the C63 uses the same 4-pot 2.0-liter turbo petrol engine found in the A45, with an electric rear-wheel drive unit and integrated starter generator. That rear-drive electric unit adds 201 bhp to the engine's 443 bhp, deployed through Mercedes' 4MATIC 4-wheel drive for a usable total of more than 600 bhp, a 2-speed gearbox for the electric motor which changes gear at 87 miles per hour, and an electronically controlled diff on the back axle. Mercedes say this rather innovative solution improves weight distribution, improves torque delivery, recoups energy more efficiently, and delivers throttle response better than a pure ICE powertrain. AMG are offering no pretensions of long-range EV driving, with the modest 6.1 kWh liquid-cooled battery designed to aid performance and be always ready and able to charge and discharge quickly thanks to the liquid cooling. The setup also delivers likely official economy of 90 miles per gallon and commensurately low CO2 emissions, vital to make it viable as fleet average CO2 levels continue to fall. Expect the new Mercedes AMG C63 Hybrid to be revealed later this year.